If you're working with large data sets in Excel and want to analyze your data faster, pivot table are the best way to do it. Instead of manually creating formulas in Excel, pivot table help you group, summarize and analyze the data in just a few clicks, and that is one of the best features in Excel.
This dataset belongs to all the employee details in a company. Here you can see different fields like their name, their employee ID, the job title, the salary, the bonus percentages, etc. So the very first step to insert a pivot table is that first we select all the data in the spreadsheet by using the shortcut Ctrl A. We go into the insert option and then click on pivot table. Then click on OK. Now it opens a new datasheet where the pivot table is supposed to be created. Now let me explain these four fields to you in short. The most important one is values. We use this field to input the values which are unique. This can be the employee names, employee IDs, etc. So first we will move it into values, and here you can see as we are analyzing the data for 1000 employees, the total is mentioned accordingly. Next, moving on to the second option, which is rows. Here whatever field you mention, it shows vertically in your pivot table. It can also be moved to columns to have the values horizontally. Now let's say we have to analyze the salary. All I have to do is move the salary option into values here. And now I am easily able to analyze like what are the different departments in this company, what are the number of employees who are working in these departments, and accordingly what is their sum of annual salary. There is one more option which is for filter. Once you drag and drop a value set here, in this example a country, you would be able to analyze the data only for a particular country. You can also change it by going and selecting the option. You can also use pivot table for other types of analysis. Let's say instead of total sum of salary, I only want the average salary. So I have to do a right click in the values here and I have to open the option value field setting. Here instead of sum, you can select the option as average, and now you will get the average salary for all the employees. And that's how you use pivot table for basic data analysis.